Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to grade 8. I hope you are all fine at your homes. Now I am going to teach a new book, that is biology. Before that you have studied the subject of science in previous grades. Now that subject is divided into three major subjects: physics, chemistry and biology. And I am going to teach you the subject of biology. First of all, we will discuss the definition of science. What is science? Basically, science is a study which is based on different observations made by a scientist or any other human beings. And then on these observations, different experiments are performed. And the result of these experiments gives us a logical conclusions on which different theories or laws are based. Basically, scientific study deals with the observations, what comes in the mind of a scientist, and on these observations he made different experiments, and the results of these experiments are documented in the form of journals. So students, you have to learn the definition of science, which is in first two lines. Then we will come towards the definition of biology. Basically, biology is made up of two words and it is derived from Greek language. First word is bios, which means life, and logos, which means thought or reasoning. Thought और reasoning का मीनिंग आता है बेटे सोच या दलाइल. ठीक है, सोच या दलाइल, आप जो चीज़ ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो उसके ऊपर आपकी क्या थॉट है, आपकी क्या फीलिंग्स हैं, क्या व्यूज़ हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लॉगोस. और रीजनिंग, आप उसके ऊपर क्या दलाइल दे सकते हो. सो डेटा बायोलॉजी आपकी आती है साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ इन विच यू हैव टू स्टडी ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. आइदर इट इज़ अ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, आइदर इट इज़ अ मल्टी ऑर्गेनिजम्स or plants or animals, so that all living things are lies in the section of biology. So you have to learn the definition of biology. Biology is the scientific study of life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. So students, you have to learn first two definitions. One is science and the other one is biology. Now I am come towards the divisions and branches of biology. Biology is further divided in a number of branches. There are three main divisions of biology. One is zoology, second one is botany, and the third one is microbiology. You have familiar with zoology and botany and studied it in the previous grade. Basically, zoology deals with the study of animals, botany deals with the study of plants, and microbiology, basically micro का meaning क्या आता है, small. Micro means small, so that we can study microorganisms such as bacteria. These organisms we cannot see with the naked eyes. The division of biology which deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria. These are three main divisions of biology. Which one? Botany, zoology and microbiology. And then microbiology is further divided into next 16 branches. So that you have to learn in first lecture definition of science, definition of biology and main divisions of biology, which are zoology, botany and microbiology. In second lecture we will discuss further branches of biology.